Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering proof and the device identifiers. Apple will need those. Once done, contact the original owner and ask them to sign into iCloud. To remove the device from Find My. If the original owner is unavailable, make sure you have the original purchase receipt and serial/IMEI ready. You'll also prepare your own contact details and a clear explanation of how you acquired the device, because Apple support will ask for verification before taking action. You now file an official removal request with Apple support. Choose the activation lock or Find My category. Provide the serial or IMEI, upload the purchase receipt showing the device, and be ready to show ID if asked. Once Apple verifies ownership, they can remove activation lock remotely or schedule an in-person appointment. Make sure to follow their exact instructions and keep copies of all submitted documents. This speeds verification. If an Apple Store appointment is required, book one promptly and bring originals. Once Apple confirms removal, you should erase the device and set it up using your own Apple ID. This ensures Find My is properly configured. If Apple denies the request, ask for the specific reason and what additional documentation would satisfy verification, then resubmit with that evidence. If you encounter errors during setup, take the device, original receipt, and the Apple support case number to an Apple Store for hands-on help. This is the legitimate path. Do not attempt unofficial bypasses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.